Welcome back to Rainey Dewey's Art Spot and Sketchbook Masterpiece number 2. As you can see, this video introduction is being recorded after I've finished doing the actual sketch. I learned a lot of lessons on this one. I pushed it too far. It was interesting watching the time-lapse video footage because I could see when I should have stopped, when it was, not overworked. And I continued to push it until I was trying to lift and trying to blot, and paper in a wet dry media sketchbook is not designed for that kind of abuse. So I ended up resorting to using gouache, that's a water-based opaque paint. It will lift just like transparent watercolor, but it's opaque, and so you can try to fix mistakes. I resort to anything to salvage sketches or paintings, probably to a fault. But anyway, the focus of this video is when to stop. And it's a delicate balance, to be sure. So get your sketchbook, get your paints, get it going, follow along, or try your own. Let's see what happens when you don't know when to stop.
Forget what you said. I'm the one that you want. Was it all in my head? Don't give up on me, babe. No, I fell in too deep. Hope that you see it's all or nothing.